Boom, what's happening? Trade recap. Took 3 trades, sorry. 2 break evens and 1 win. I'm just gonna fucking show you like the live recording type thing. And I'll just like skip through it, talk over it while I'm speaking. And we can just do it that way because I'll go over the charts as well, but we'll just do it like this now. So yeah. Bosh. Right, this is it.
Here.
So we'll go into the bias beginning with what I was wanting to see.
Any one of these prominent levels.
So basically what I was saying here, we've got equal lows here, relative equal lows here, 4 equilibrium, and then we've got London low and this 50-minute fair value gap here.
This is also an intermediate low, these equal lows. So I mean, if we come down, tap EQ this, get a reaction off this, I'll take longs. Idealistically, I'm wanting to see us come to London low, but because of yesterday, like, I'm not like, this is a lot, like, this is ambitious, I think. 100 points, like, it could happen, but I'm just like, I'm trying to take away from yesterday as much as possible, so, yeah, no, like, I didn't post bias on my Discord or anything like that, so we'll just see what's cooking. Hopefully we get, like, if we get the S&T London low, that'll be decent, because ES is closer to it than NQ. Way closer. Way fucking closer. So we'll call it S&T London low. If we tap, sweep out these key levels, and then S&T London low, I'll definitely long towards previous day high. I'm not really looking for shorts here. Unless we open higher, so previous day high, and get some sort of manipulation move, and then we can target these equal lows. But apart from that, like, I'm not really looking for shorts. So we'll see what we do upon market open. Market opens in like 3 minutes, 3 minutes. So see what we're saying.
Right, yeah. So then we'll go to where market opens. Market bit here. So yeah, what happened? The market open, we opened higher. So this was when shorts were valid, because I'm not going to take longs here because we've got equal lows against the setup. So fuck that. I'm not trying to take longs when there's equal lows against the setup. It's one of my rules. I don't do it. I'm not going to break my rules just because I think something's going to play. So I was waiting to see if previous day high got swept before I took any shorts. And then if I was going to take longs, I wanted to see this level get swept or this level get swept. While making like an SMT off London low or something like that. So we ended up just kind of like fucking about. We ended up like, I wanted to see like a mech like this, and then like just like something nice towards those equal lows, because it's just such a nice draw. We ended up getting the resweep of the high. It was a bit here. So actually we had an SMT off of this low here as well. Paddy, the guy from PB Trading, he actually took a long here towards previous day high, which was valid, but because there's equal lows against the setup, I'm just not doing that. I was not going to take that. Like, it was against the rules. Fuck that. I'm not going to pie off the rules just for a potential win. Fuck that. But we ended up re-sweeping that high, and then yeah, we tapped previous day high and made an SMT. We had this sell side here. We had this wee 2 minute inversion. You did see it, but I'll just actually fast forward this a little. I was just sorting out my settings and stuff like that, just so I could prepare to take the trade. I was looking at this 30 second, but I was more comfortable taking the 2 minute, just because of the way where the break even for the 30 second was. I would have took it otherwise, but as well as actually there was a 3 minute. Sorry, it was a 3 minute. The reason I didn't actually take this 30 second was because the 3 minute was so close that like we could easily just tap this and go higher, even if it was just like a little retrace to then inverse it. I just wanted to be safe, so I waited for the 3 minute inversion instead of taking this 30 second inversion, which was, I'd say, the more valid option. But there was a way better RR with this 30 second, and it happened so quickly as well.
That's the thing.
That's it.
That's the iffy thing.
What's it?
I have to go break even straight at 15 minutes though. That's the iffy thing.
I went 3 minutes. I don't know why I said 15 minutes. But yeah, it was. To be fair, this trade yielded way better inversion, because I don't think we actually took that out. So I would have entered there, and then VE here. But I was like, nah, fuck this. Oh, the 3 minute got actually invalidated.
Well, that was 2 minutes.
Well, we have the 2 minute anyway. That's what I was kind of looking at. But the only real issue with this trade is like how big the stop loss is. Like it was such a tight, like, it was such a big stop.
Big SL though, you know what I'm saying? Like, fuck that, man.
Like, look at the size of that, man. And I entered way
Order
too many
filled.
bonds. I was like, oh shit.
Oh, that was way too much size. Way
Order
too
filled.
much size. Oh, you fucking bastard. I should wait for some sort of retracement, I'm not even gonna lie. Might fuck myself here. Fuck it. I ain't got time.
But yeah, nah, so the reason I actually took this shit, I'll explain now. So we had let me go on here. You'll see it on here, here. So we had SMT. So I set previous day high. We had the SMT, and then we had the 2 minute inversion here. Entered like it was about here, and then I just targeted these equal lows, for my take profit. These equal lows here. I always see on the 15 minute better. These equal lows here as my target, and then yeah, we ended up getting edged, but you'll see in the video. Oh shit, there's this one. You'll see in the video.
Yeah, I'm gonna add.
I was gonna add as we came up to like a
If we
first
get
level as well,
decent
but I never
amount
ended up
of
retracing.
fucking all the positioning.
I was hesitant on adding it because like my
Like,
risk was already so
This
high.
right
Well, not high, but it's a percent risk on this trade. Like
Just a little
with that
bit
big of
there.
a stop loss, like a bit dodgy, like. But my one thing I could definitely work on today is my hesitation. I was quite hesitant
I'll probably
going
take
into
my trades
trades,
to equals.
but I actually marked out the higher time frame equals. So these equals is what I should have took my take profit at really, and it would have been a 1-to-1. I think just below, so I would have edged it to 1-to-1, but I don't think these lows ended up getting hit, so I would have got break even regardless.
I'm not sure I'm sure off of there. So what's up here? That's my break even here. I'll TP to these equals here. Man, you keep an eye on London low.
Yeah, I was keeping an eye on London one just in case we SMT'd it, so I could close my full position.
Yeah, that's fine.
But this trade was looking good. It was looking alright. It was not a bad setup at
I'm
all.
gonna wait for size, but that's fine. I should be sound. Should be sound. Is that not it? Break even there. Break even a little bit now.
But yeah, look at the volume. Like we should have hit those,
You need to make sure
those
London will
lows.
get hit.
I don't know why we never. We edged these lows as well. It's ridiculous. And you're just pushing back up. But I thought we were gonna hold off this 2 minutes. I ended up just getting break even.
That was the same trade, I'm thinking that.
But yeah, because obviously I entered on 10 cons, one contract, and I had to close it because of the size. I was down like $67. You'll see it. Yeah, then 70. I was after the break even. It was like 67. Yeah, 67. And then I ended up taking another trade. It was a long. Yeah. So we started accumulating at around 10 o'clock. So we just started accumulating. We had this big fat accumulation, and I was just like really waiting for something to happen here. I was a bit bored, to be honest. But I was just waiting for something to happen, and then we ended up seeing some displacement. I don't know if
Well,
it
this
was
is equal
intentional.
to sweat. SMT off London low. We're coming out accumulation down here. So it's a 5-minute accumulation too. I don't know, how the fuck do you edge the lows? Like, when has that ever in the history of ever happened?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm just kind of waiting for something to happen, to be honest. Let me just skip it. So it's still accumulating. Yeah, here we go. This is when we started to distribute. So we started to distribute. We were so close to London low over here. I was just anticipating the SMT. That's why I had this marked out. We started this manipulating. Sorry, taking it with equal lows.
My trade beforehand. We started some equals. Hopefully we fucking come sweep out some more equals. That's not the swept yet. I'll wait for that. Boom, right, SMT London low. Smack a bang a
I
bang.
don't think we actually took these, but they were relatively close. They weren't like properly fully equal lows, so I wasn't too stressed about taking my trade regardless of that. And I marked it. It was a 1 minute inversion, highest time frame inversion on the current trading leg. And then we just targeted. I targeted the accumulation for one of my TPs, and then I had the buy side up here for my second TP. I ended up just getting break even after my first TP. I only took off 2 micros. But this is a super nice trade. Super nice.
The TP one up here. Full TP up there because we're bullish. What's the loss? 10. 10 cons on this bad boy. BE. 5 minute internal high. 2 minute? I think I'll go BE at this internal high here.
Yeah. It just looked nicer. This
Let's see if we inverse this shit.
This 2 minute looked way nicer than this 1 minute, and it was so much closer. And if we're taking this out, we're likely going to take this out anyway. So I was just wanting to go break even at this high, just for more comfortability while in the trade. Stop loss just at the bottom of the up close candle. No point really covering the wick. Like I could have, there was an SMT, but I'm pretty confident we're overall bullish, so I was pretty confident in this setup, and I didn't want to really. There's no point in me covering the wick. If we come below this body, then we're likely gonna go below the wick anyway. So maximize my profit.
Versus I'm fucking in that, you know. Don't get it twisted, lad. Yeah, don't get it fucking twisted. If we fucking make a new leg though, then I'll fucking be in that as well. Let's see what we fucking do, you know. See what we fucking do, yeah. Be at this shit. TP1 thing here.
Oh, the reason I TP1 there as well is because it's 5 minute high and it's the top of the accumulation, and it's a intermediate high as well because it's within the 1 minute BPR here. At this point, I was just getting like, I was just sorting this chart out so I could see it on this chart as well as the other chart. Just sorting everything out. It would have been such a nice RR trade as well, like 3 RR, so fucking nice. I think the close was quite big.
Oh, it's so inversing shit. Come on, chat.
Because I'm pretty sure we actually
First
came
that
up
one,
with
fucking
this
boy.
internal high, which made me hesitate.
Oh my god, he's got fucking edged. Oh my fucking god.
But yeah, nah, I think we ended up. Yeah, so we ended up taking this internal high out because this 2 minute was still intact and this was my break even. I was so willing to take this still.
Because I'm just gonna take it to the next break even. I'll half my risk.
Oh yeah. I remember I half my risk. Yeah. So I half my risk because it took out this initial internal high, and just like, because that does make me less confident in the trade, even though we have this 2 minute. But the draw is so obvious that I'm still willing to take it. Like when there's an obvious draw, you're still able to take the mech even if the internal high gets swept. And we still had this 2 minute internal high intact, so the trade was still very valid to me. And then I was hesitant on trading, on entering, because I wanted to see a retap. But I was like, nah, I'll enter there.
Order filled.
And then I ended up covering the wick at this low here. Just for better RR, to be honest. And I didn't want to, like, just to minimize my risk a little bit. Because, to be honest, like, I couldn't see price coming below this wick. And if it did, it's probably going to fail anyway and tap me out here. So I was just like, you know what, I'll just put my stop loss here, minimize risk, get a little bit of a better RR, just because of how high my entry was as well.
Myself here. I got a break even, so let's just put like 150 risk.
Yeah, so yeah, that as well, because like my original entry would have been here, so I like the reason I didn't go fully break even here is because it's right on my entry. I would have got stopped out instantly, and I feel like price could come down a little bit and then come back up. So I may as well have it at the inversion, like where the inversion is. So I just felt a bit safer doing that. So this is just a bit discretionary. Like you need to have discretion when you're trading, because when you don't have discretion, like you're just gonna be by the book all the time. You need to adapt to how market's reacting and what market's doing and what you think market might do. So that's why I had my stop loss there instead of right where I entered. I would have got stopped out instantly.
It's a little bit of a scuffed trade, to be honest, but fuck it.
Yeah, I only ended up getting like a 1 to... It would have been a 1 to 1, like 1.5, 1 to 1.2 or something like that. But this is like a 1 to 8 this right now with where my stop loss was. So it wasn't a bad trade at all. I ended up taking 2 micros off of that 5 minute buy side level that I've got marked out there. Just so I could secure a little bit of profit, so I would be breaking on the day, so I wasn't down that 7 pounds. And yeah, I was gonna full break even once that that high got swept there, just cause like if this gets swept, price like might react lower and it doesn't have to come and take that out. So yeah. But this was a scuffed trade, to be honest. This was a little bit scuffed. I should have just entered right there instead of hesitating because we'd taken out this. But you know, human error. Human error. And yeah, just trade plays. Yeah, it does look clean though. It's like you can't tell me this isn't a clean looking setup. But it edged the fuck out my break even here. Like, I was even saying actually, you'll be able to hear it.
We just get edged and then so hopefully we just get edged and then price just shoots up.
Yeah, I was saying something about like I remember saying that like price never edges my break even, always like edges my TP and then dumps. So I was like, hopefully we just edge the break even. I do see it.
This is a wee bit scuffed. That's fine. Got a entry. Hesitate. You never hesitate. So I'm gonna go true break even now. Just because there's no reason for us to come back down here and stop me out. If we do, I'll be on stage, we get you extra, but hopefully we don't. I think we will. We'll see. If it edges me though, that's fantastic. It never edges my break even.
Yeah,
it always
that's
edges the TP, as you can see. So hopefully we just get edged and then price just shoots up.
But it did happen. I was actually so surprised. I was like, what? I don't know why I ended up moving it though. Oh, because that's where I was supposed to enter, so like I put it where my entry should have been. But it doesn't matter, I shouldn't have even done that.
At least.
I should have just kept it there because it's literally it's no going below that. But yeah, just sitting and waiting. It's just a patience game, really. That's what it fucking is. And then this gave me, this is like, oh yes, finally we're actually gonna fucking hit my fucking TP. And then that put me to break even on the day, so up $56. How much did I actually end up securing? So 600. So I took a decent amount of my risk off for the table.
That entry's fucking cash. Why? It's because I hesitated on my entry, but it is what it is.
But this trade is looking nice. It's not a bad trade at all. Like I was happy that I was able to get at least one TP, and then leave the runner. But I got break even anyway. But I was debating whether I should have took full TP here or not as well. But this is the draw, so why would I change my draw? Especially when we're overall super bullish. There's no need for me to do that. So yeah, we end up trading up, meshing my pal, and then we get so edged. And then we just end up coming lower, hitting me out at break even. Yeah. I was pretty good emotional wise with this. Like my emotions have been so on point recently. Like I've been so just locked with emotions. But yeah, that was the break even there. So break even on the day went from down 60 to up 60. So I was chilling with that. I was like, I was gonna be done after this as well. Like I was so gonna be done. Because I was like, well, I've took 2 trades. My rules say once I've taken 2 trades, there's no need for me to take any others. Should start lagging though. But we tap into the 1 minute inversion again and start reacting off of it. But I scaled out and there was a 5 minute here.
What a shame.
She got laggy though.
We accumulated, we manipulated out of this buy side level, sweeping these equal lows here. Also while creating an SMT with London low on ES. Making this a very nice setup. We don't really tap into any PDOs of that. But yeah, it's just a nice PDI model targeting the accumulation highs and then the buy side. I probably should have took full TP at the accumulation highs at 1-to-1, but the thing is, it's like I had this draw. We're overall bullish. This buy side level is the draw. So I mean, yeah, that short there, that first initial short that we got break even on, really good. Don't know why we edged fucking equal lows by fucking 5 points. Ridiculous shit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, yeah.
This buy side level is the draw. So I mean, yeah, that short there, that first initial short that we got break even on, really good. Don't know why we edged fucking equal lows by fucking 5 points. Ridiculous shit. But I mean, it is what it is. Good day to be fair. Like I came in today, like I could win, I could lose, I could even get a break even. I don't mind what happens. We'll just have to wait and see. I ended up getting break even on the day, so I can't complain with that. I'm up a rack on the account so far. So hopefully Friday, tomorrow, or next week present some good opportunities. And if I do trade tomorrow, hopefully we do get presented with something nice and just some nice PA in general. Actual. We've respected this 5 minute.
Yeah, this is when I saw this trade. It was too obvious not to take.
If we inverse this 1 minute. But without taking this high,
It's gonna
I'll enter a low risk long. So that buy side there for 1-to-1. Do like half of that, 3 cons. If we inverse this.
Order filled.
So I ended up entering that
Does-
shit.
it
It's
does.
too obvious not to
Does.
take. I was already break even at this point. We got edged on break even again.
Anyway, why would
Price ended up shooting.
yes, to the high. What's momentum thinking? Let's do it. We should hit that. Nice one.
Actually, the order got filled.
Yes. Come on, you're so close. There we go.
Order filled.
Bang, 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 bang. Easy peasy, easy days, lads. That's class, right? But that covers my loss from yesterday. Up on the day. Up on the day. Nice one, chat. Nice. Nice one. Right, boom. Right, Sandal. That was trading with RM.Trading-nq, you know. Come on.
Right now, but sweet, right? So fucking yeah, that's that then. But yeah, those are the trades I took. Like that last one, like I just saw it. Like it was too obvious not to take. Like we were respecting this 5 minute. We were still delivering off of the bullish SMT and the equal lows. We'd actual. So technically, this inversion here. This is a BPR, technically. So we respected this BPR 5 minute. It was a no brainer to be fucking honest. Like if I'd be mad if I didn't take this, but because it was against my rules, I did de-risk. But I'm glad that I was able to capitalize on this long, and just like secure a little dub for the day. So I mean, that's really the trade recap. Like, there's nothing else for me to really go in depth. Like this short was valid because we had equal lows and we'd made an SMT a previous day high. This long was valid because we accumulated, swept the equal lows, and then made an SMT with London low, targeting buy side and buy side. And then this one was valid as well because we had a continuation off of respecting this 5 minute and inverse in this 1 minute, showing time frame alignment, saying that we're probably gonna go hit this buy side level. We missed the 1 hour fair value gap as well. So I don't know. It's interesting. It was a very interesting day. I'm very happy of the outcome of today as well. I kind of wish I didn't de-risk on this, but I did, and it was worth it because I was following my rules. So yeah, no, I mean I'm happy with that. I'll just post this as it is, like raw, like this. There's no much like why would I not? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, nah, sweet. I'll see you man in a bit. See you later.